Hi, this is Paul Bowerman of Bowerman 939 of the Brigham Tea Company, and I'm just unloading a truck, I'm unloading a boulder that was in the back of my truck, and I want to show you how most come-alongs work. What you have is you always have ratchets, which this is the lower ratchet, and then there's an upper ratchet right in there if you can see it. And what these ratchets do is allow you to raise and lower, or in future videos I'm going to show you how to use one of these to get unstuck when you're out in the sticks. But anyhow, so the way this works is there's a lever. Most of them have a lever, and they have a system that allows you to push up when you're lowering it. And lowering it is more crucial than raising it, because you literally have to have two hands. One hand goes here to reset the upper lever, and then that holds it while the lower lever releases, and then it can go back up. Now you're wondering, why am I telling you all this? Because in future videos we're going to be sorry for the shakiness. Anyhow, we're going to teach you how to use come-alongs to get unstuck. This is Bowerman 939 of the Brigham Tea Company. Thanks for watching.